In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to broadcast on Steam. Broadcasting your gameplay is a fantastic way to share your gaming experiences with friends or a broader audience. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step so you can start streaming in just a few minutes. First, you're going to need to open your Steam application. If you don't have it installed yet, head to the Steam website and download the app. Once you have Steam open, you'll see the login screen if you're not already logged in. Simply click on Login to continue. This will prompt you to enter your account name and password. Make sure you're using your regular Steam credentials here. It's always a good practice to check you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your details, go ahead and click on Sign In. After signing in, you should land on the Steam homepage. This is where all the magic happens. From here, we'll navigate to the settings required to set up broadcasting. Move your cursor to the top left of the Steam window and click on Steam. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Settings. This will open a new window with all of Steam's settings options. Inside this settings window, you'll notice a list on the left-hand side. Find and click on Broadcast. This is where we'll configure your broadcasting settings. Now you'll want to set up all the details for your broadcast. This includes selecting your video quality, microphone options, and any privacy settings you feel are necessary. Take your time to adjust these settings according to your preferences, as they can significantly impact your streaming experience. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, click on Manage Broadcast to finalize your setup. Finally, all that's left is to wait for everything to load up, and then voila, you're broadcasting live. At this point, your friends or any members of the Steam community you've allowed to view can watch your live gameplay. If you're encountering any loading issues, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that your settings have been correctly configured. There you have it, a quick and easy way to start broadcasting on Steam. With these steps, you'll be able to share your gaming moments with the world. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic time gaming and streaming.